to share a little atonal line that I wrote this morning. Had been listening to Alban Berg's Violin Concerto, which starts off with these fifths, B flat to F, C to G, moving from the left side of the circle of fifths into the right side. This is the 13th and 15th fret of the 5th and 4th strings, and the 13th and 15th fret of the first two strings. The same line is repeated by the violin down here at G and D and A and E, which continues G, G. It's as if we're extending up. These also happen to be the notes of the open strings on the violin. This is the one that inspired me. Was the next phrase is C sharp A F B. That's 16, 14, 18, 19. And then I found a way to put that into a chord form. C sharp A, F, and B. This is 4th fret, 5th string, 7th fret, 4th string, 6th fret, 2nd string, and 7th fret of the 1st string. C sharp A, F, and B. Now this was a 12-tone work of Berg's. It's really the last one that he did before he died at the age of 50. So we're not looking at these things as conventional chords. I suppose it could be named, but it's really just a collection of pitches. My continuation then follows from some of those same interval groups. Open A, G, C sharp at the 2nd fret, then up some motion, relieving something, A, G, C sharp, pull off F to E, and then D sharp or E flat, E flat and C. So that then becomes a little more tonal, so it needs to be given some ambiguity here. So this is a B, E flat, C, B, and then trying to think like an orchestra, raise that lower voice from C to C sharp. Open 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4. Then clusters. C sharp, B flat, D, and E. I like consecutive note name chords. So this has a B something, a C something, a D something, and an E something. In this case it's C sharp, B flat, D, and E. 4th, 3rd, 3rd, open. And then again, B, A flat, and G. So we have a major 7th there with a bass note that lends to the ambiguity. Then the idea was to use Berg's line in the same key that he did. So C sharp, 4th fret, 7th fret of the 1st string. And it's the same line as here, but without the open string. That's one thing these atonal studies will do for you, is give you a sense of position on the board and how to relate shapes that aren't related tonally. 4, 7, 6, 7, 6, pull off. 8, 7, with that ambiguous note in between on the 8th fret. Raise the bass, 7 to 8. And then we get a new cluster. This has D, E, F, G flat. So again, I like the consecutive note name chords because they are clusters. That's making use of that open string. Then I ended it up here. So that's 8, 7, 7 open, 9, 8, 10. I hope this has been of some interest. It's a topic that's fairly far afield from tonal harmony, but it's a very interesting way to try to write, and it's fun to discover new sounds and combinations and just open your eyes, mind, and ear to other possibilities for maybe effect in a composition that you're writing, or just to establish some kind of a mood that couldn't be done through regular tonal means. Certainly if you were scoring soundtracks, those kind of sounds would be acceptable. So again, hope this has been of interest. Please leave a comment if you can, like and share these videos on my channel if you're knowing someone that might be very interested in this kind of topic. And I appreciate your kind attention and do wish you a very good day.